Here we have testimonies from Jay. Jay said, in 2019-2020, it had been prophesied over me that I'd have a business and people would travel from all over to come see me. And I practiced natural type healing medicine. I've felt myself grow more into the naturopathic space over the past 3 years. This person is a medical doctor and this is their testimony, right? But business setup has been humbling. It has far exceeded my financial capacity, and I've had moments of imposter syndrome where I felt like I should just continue with my job and side hustles and leave this ownership thing alone. I felt my faith growing because I believe, and I will have to admit, I am more practical than whimsical. But as for the testimony, it's financial. Setup was going well. The money that I had took me all the way through building out the walls, tiling and painting. Paint man labor cost was about $90,000, which in and of itself was a blessing, because if you know about painting, it's very expensive. I underestimated the paint cost itself. Paint alone was coming up to $60,000. Oh, this is Jamaican, by the way. God sent the largest check my way I'd ever gotten, right? From one of my side hustles, which was $96,000. I bought paint, paid bills, etc. Painting was going on as expected. As with all things construction, there were unforeseen expenses, and although he provided the money, it ran out. So the day before the $90,000, no, $95,000 labor cost was due. All I had left was $63,000 in my name. I was on edge about what I was gonna do because the work had been done. So the work is done and she needs to find the money. The men needed to be paid, and it was a whole week before payday, which, you know, when you get payday money, it done spent out already is what you said. It's finished before it comes. You know, payday money is finished before it comes. I had submitted my request for an NHT loan, National Housing Trust loan, to get, you know, house. And it was supposed to come by February 14th. The men were supposed to be finished working by February 17th. I checked my account almost hourly, nothing. Oh my, I can imagine the anxiety building up. You're checking nothing. I started to fret, but still somehow I knew something was going to work out. I put one of my sisters on standby to send me the money if, you know, the NHT money never worked out. And let me tell you something, that NHT money hit my account February 16th. Praises be to God. I had submitted my request for the NHT refund, and it was supposed to come February 14th. The men were supposed to be paid February 17th. Praises be to God, who is 5 million steps ahead of me and holding my hand, walking beside me and spotting me from behind every step of this journey. My office is coming and will be open soon in Jesus' name. We'll pray for her office, we'll pray for her work, because the Lord is definitely using this to build her faith. So what I loved about this was the fact that she held on. It was prophesied over her life by clearly someone she believed, you know, was being spoken to by God, that she would get this business off foot. She didn't see the money, but she held on. And that's how the Lord works. He doesn't give you every single thing every step of the way, and he provides little by little, little by little. And thanks be to God. God is awesome, and we continue to hold fast to him as he provides for us. If you would like your testimony to be heard or to share a testimony anonymously, I would love to do that for you. And I will place a link in the description, which is my email address really, in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, so that you'll be able to share your testimony, which will strengthen the faith of others. If you'd like to check out other testimony Thursday videos, you can go and do so. All right, see you at my next video.